Hi, I'm Carrie Heron, and I'm here to help you get unstuck in this accelerator. Here's how. Beyond the Fence is a 3-hour interactive workshop where you are an active participant in a transformational executive leadership group coaching experience. Beyond the Fence was designed and created by 2 international professional certified coaches and neuro-linguistic programming consultants, namely myself, Carrie Heron, as well as Beverly Spencer, UK-based master coach. We created this course to help you grasp the concept of being stuck and nudge you to do something about it. Many times we know that we're not where we want to be, but we are not quite certain as to exactly where we are, nor where we want to go, much less how to even get there. When just one room of our life is in chaos, it bleeds into other areas. This is what makes Beyond the Fence such a powerful business tool to help to illustrate just how connected everything is. The professional and the personal are 2 sides of the same coin, and when they're both in balance, then equilibrium exists. Beyond the Fence is a group workshop and course that is designed to create intimacy within an organization as well as for individual participants. Because when transformation happens in one person, it cannot help but spill out onto others in an organization or wider community. By the end of this course, you will be aware of where you are now. You'll also be able to describe limitations that have stopped you from taking positive action in your life. You'll be able to challenge limitations and implement new strategies that will move you into action. You'll clarify the direction that you need to help you achieve your goals. You'll also receive additional tools to help you reach your goals as needed. You are the best return that you're ever going to get on an investment. So invest in you, invest in your growth, invest in becoming unstuck. Register now for Beyond the Fence and let's go beyond the fence. The world is yours. Let's take it.